Welcome to day two of cybersecurity and ethical hacking. So, today we'll be going to discuss about first phase of ethical hacking. Do you remember in the previous class we have discussed about the five phases of ethical hacking? So, in that the first phase we are going to discuss today. So, now what is meant by footprinting? Now, what is meant by footprinting? Footprinting is nothing but gathering information about a footprinting is nothing but gathering information about a victim. So now I will take a target of two persons. One will be the person and one will be the mission. And second will be the so mission is nothing but a targeted IP or a system. Okay, anything like that. So now this footprinting is, as I told people, it's a collection of information about the target. So if you're taking a person, the collection of information may be name, then the mobile number, then the email ID, which and all social media the person exits, then the geolocation, then what else about a person, an eye, the weight, color, okay, then what is a basic degree, what they have done, and what type of skill set they have. Everything will be done under the visual space. I will be mentioning a few things here. So, from the ethical hackers point of view, you will be having a checklist where you need to get all the details about the person. Now, coming with a person, the checklist may consist of name, email ID, phone number, then location, geolocation, then height, weight, interest, then the skills. Okay, so these are the things you need to collect person's point of view when taking a mission or a system. So you need to collect the things such as IP, MAC, then what are the service it is running, then what type of vulnerabilities consists of. So if you know about the vulnerabilities, you can easily implement the attack. Okay, so IP, MAC, services, vulnerabilities, open ports, closed ports. Okay, so till number of things you need to collect it. So we'll do a small activity of footprinting. So before that, there are two types of footprinting we have. One will be the active footprinting and one will be the passive footprinting. Here types, one will be the active footprinting and next will be the passive footprinting. So if you see the major difference in both this active footprinting and passive footprinting, from the name itself it detects. So here you will be directly connecting with the victim. Connect with the target. This case passive, you will be like indirectly you are connecting with the target. The best example for this, Shri, can you say your mobile number? Enough. Hold on. Okay, so see, I'm just directly connecting and gathering the information about it. Okay, that is known as active footprinting. Passive footprinting is so simple. I will be like taking your resume, okay, then I will be collecting the details. In your resume the number will be there, right? Number, email ID, okay, all those things will be there, okay. So it is known as, if you're directly connecting with the target and collecting, it's known as active footprinting. Passive footprinting is indirectly. Best example is here, I will be performing a social engineering, or I am telling like I am calling from a job opportunity, okay, and I will be collecting all of your details, okay. Then indirect passive footprinting means I will be giving your social media, and I will be like collecting the details. For example, maybe exporting the CV, and I will be collecting all of your details. Okay, so now you got a little clarity about what is meant by active footprinting and what is meant by passive footprinting. Okay, so now we'll do a small activity now. First, we'll be getting a details about the person. I want you to do this activity. So the target is me. For collecting the details, okay. So this is my target. I want you to collect my details, such as my email ID, my mobile number, then which company I'm working, and what is my location, be like address, and what is my qualification. Okay. One, two, three, four, five. Okay. These are the details I want you to collect about myself. You can use any of these two techniques. One will be the active footprinting and passive footprinting. When you are doing an active footprinting, you need to be much aware. Okay, the target should not know you are collecting the details about the particular person. Okay, shall we do this activity? Okay. So which method you are going to use now? We're going to use active or passive footprinting. Or you can use both as well. Okay, so you can use both as well. Okay, let's go. Let's How will you find my email ID? Where you can find my email ID? Okay. How will you get my CV? Okay. Hmm. So in this case, first in information gathering or footprinting or resonance phase, you need to perform both the things. Let's take an example. If I was in your situation, I will claim myself as I'm calling from so and so company. We have a job open opportunity here. Okay. So if you are okay, I can share the JD with you. To share the JD, I want your email ID. So the words I have used is a trusted one, right? I can easily believe. The target can easily believe. Okay. So now you got my email ID, for example, at gmail.com. Okay. Now, then the mobile number, how will you get it? Mobile number, how will you get it? No idea. See, mobile numbers you can find in various places, for example, in the social media. If you go to my LinkedIn, there is an option known as Connect Us, okay, or the like a contact details. So there you can find my, maybe in a WhatsApp group where you can find my contact number, right? Okay, maybe in a CV if you are asking, you can find my details in my CV. Sorry, you're saying something? Okay. So unknown person, that's why I told you need to, that's why I'm told you need to perform active footprinting, claiming like you are an HR of an organization. Okay. See, it's how you know you want minimum level of details to get the overall details. Okay. Now there are some web pages. If you search with the email ID, you can get the details about the victim. Okay. We'll try out those things later. So then the company where you will get the details about my company, current company where we are working. LinkedIn you can get it. Do you have a LinkedIn account? Do you have a LinkedIn account of yours? Okay, now is it fine? Hello, now is it fine? Okay, disconnect and join. Please disconnect and join. Disconnect, left this meeting and join from. Is it fine now? Is it fine now? Is this fine now? Sir? Is it fine now? Hello, myself. Okay, so fine. Okay. So if you want to know my address, okay, so you can check in the things such as my other government IDs, everything I have a proof. My address will be there, all government IDs. Then again, where you can get this government IDs means there are some tools available in the internet. With these tools, you can get my IDs. In the qualification, again, you can get it in my LinkedIn or in my CV. So now you got a little clarity about how will you cut the target of a person. Yes or no? Okay. Now let's get a target about a system or a mission. So in this case, let's take we'll take a target of one of the company. Okay. So can you tell any of the company's name? Accenture. Okay. So Accenture will be getting it. Will be get the address, the contact number. Then we'll get the email ID. What details you need to? You need to get the IPs. Then details about the database. So everything will try to get. So now, anyway, I will showing the practical stuffs also how you can find the details about this particular thing. So now it's an Accenture. Let me go to a browser or share my entire screen. Okay, can you see my screen? I've just opened the web page. From there, I'm collecting details about the particular company. Steve, are you along with me? Do you able to? Okay. See, if you go to this particular web page, you can find the details about this. So the locations. See, if I click on location, I can get the details about the regional wise. Okay. So Africa where it is located, India where it is located. So I will be going to Asia Pacific. Yeah. Now I got the details about the office. Prestige, Technopolis, uh, Adugudi, Bangalore, Karnataka. Then I got the contact number of this particular company as well. Then again Bangalore, one more branch is there. Then again Bangalore, one more branch is there. Even I got the contact number. See, the contact numbers differ from this. Then with this contact numbers, again we can do a social engineering. So the address I can find from the web page. Then again I can find from the web page. Then the email ID.